What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to delete a comment that you made on Instagram. Now, there's a lot of different uses for this, but mostly when you say something stupid that you want to come back and retract. So I'm just going to go on this random guy's post and do just that, say stupid. And then the comment is right there. Instagram is going to give you a chance to undo it because they recognize that you're calling someone stupid. But if it's just a normal comment like it looks like right now, all you're going to do is just swipe left on the comment itself, and then you should see a red trash bin all the way to the right of the comment once you swiped. And then once you hit that, it should say one comment deleted. You could also undo it if you do it on accident and keep undoing it. But once that you do that and it says the comment's deleted and it's disappeared, it will be deleted and nobody that goes onto this picture can see that your comment was left. If you were confused or you had any questions on this tutorial, be sure to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's important information that you wouldn't want to miss.